What kind of hideous mess is this? Oh, you think we're gonna do it better this time? Looks like we're doing a class here. We have what's clearly a very hideous floor. We decided maybe the smartest thing we could do is try to cover it up before more people see it. Man, it looks like he's trying to hide every bad decision he's ever made here underneath this epoxy floor. Watching him pour is like watching paint dry. If the paint went drinking last night. And let's hope this isn't just another pour here. It's gonna be another cry for help wrapped in resin. Man, he's pouring epoxy like he's trying to hide a body under here. The Bob Ross of regret, just with a shiner and some mistakes. All right, we'll have to see here. Brown, okay, yeah, sure. I thought we were really getting going somewhere, that we might be getting out of this mess for a second there, and there I am pouring more brown on the floor. I promise that's epoxy and nothing else. All right, look around. Now you have piles of goo everywhere. It almost makes you miss the floor before. My spiked shoes, make sure you kick your wall. Try to scratch your floor a bit. Always walk like a princess. Tap your toes. Get your T-bar applicator. Start smearing this garbage around here. This is really just a professional spill. Man, if boredom had a mascot, it'd just be this dude with a bucket. What's that, his first time using his hands? I'd hate to see him dance. Wearing the spiked shoes, but definitely not walking in the resin at all. Get just a little bit on the baseboard so you have some work to do later. A little bit more. You want, if this was a customer's house, which it's not, it is our training room, but if this was a customer's house, you'd want to make it evenly messy on all the baseboards, just so they think that's the process. Look really lost in the corner here. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Trying to bring that silver back across the floor. Cute pants. Didn't know they made them for boys. Here we go. Watch those corners. Like I say, don't be patient. Make sure you just push it so you get a little bit on the baseboard all the way around. Man, this floor is going to have to go to the counseling office and sit on the couch. I'm going to smoke a cigarette when I'm done. Here we go. Okay, maybe we're getting somewhere. Man, I don't know. Now back into some other random colors. Actually, I meant to say I'm sure all these colors were just students picked them. If I'd have picked them, it'd look really good. Oh, here I am pretending I'm wearing a jetpack. Buzz Lightyear. I like to spray hippies with this. It's 99% isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, if you spray about 3 gallons, maybe it'll hide some of the regret on this floor. Yeah, take your time. Spray everywhere. Keep your back turned. Hope it turns out better than it is. Do a little slow motion shot here. There you are. Proof that enough alcohol can make anything look good. You know what? Not so shabby. Well, it didn't get any worse than this, and here we are showing just how ugly you can make a floor look. If that was a goal, I did a pretty good job. Now look through the goggles of all that alcohol we sprayed on the floor, and I think we actually did a pretty good job with a metallic floor there. Let us know what you think. Be as critical as you want. We have pretty thick skin here. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and that notification bell if you want to know when our videos come out. And thank you guys so much for watching. We love each and every one of you. Thank you for the follow. Can't wait to see you here on the next one.